Thank you for using MyChart for your video visit with your Mercy or Mercy Care provider. Remember, in order to participate in your video visit, you must have the MyChart mobile app available in the App Store or Google Play. Your eCheck-In must be completed within your mobile MyChart app prior to your video visit appointment. To complete this step, you will need to log in to your MyChart mobile app. Once you've logged into your mobile app, scroll down and click on Appointments. You'll be brought to the screen with a list of upcoming and previous appointments. Find your video visit appointment and click eCheck-In. From here, you'll review your insurance. Confirm that the person on file to pay for costs not covered by insurance is correct, and specify if you would like to use insurance to pay for this appointment. Then click Next. This will bring you to a list of your medications. Scroll down and be sure that this list is up to date and remove any medications you are no longer taking, or add any that you do not see listed. Then click the checkbox at the bottom that reads "This information is correct." Then click Next. Now you'll review your allergies. Scroll down to remove any that are out of date or add any that are not listed. Click the checkbox at the bottom that reads "This information is correct." Then click Next. This will bring you to a list of your health issues. Once you've reviewed this list, click the checkbox at the bottom that reads "This information is correct." Then click Submit. MyChart will bring you to this page where you can click Close in the top right corner. You'll be taken back to the Appointments page where you can click on your video visit appointment and then select Begin Visit at your appointment start time. When you've completed your visit, click the center red button to hang up.